as a heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let a rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the darkness has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the presence has brought us. Facing the rising sun of a new day begun, let us march on till victory is won. Stony the road we trod, bitter the chasing rod, fell in the days when hope unborn has died. Yet with a steady beat, have not a weary feet, come to the place for which your people sigh. We have come over a way that we choose have been watered. We have come treading our path through the blood of the slaughter. Out of the gloomy past, till now we stand at last, where the white gleam of our bright star is cast. God of our weary years, God of our silent tears, Thou hast brought us thus far on the way. Thou hast by Thy might led us into the light. Keep us forever in the path, we pray. Less of feet stray from the places of God where we meet Thee. Less of heart drunk with the wine of the world, we forget Thee. Shadow beneath Thy hand, may we forever stand, true to our God.